onto US 19 South.
So now we're going into the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Great Smoky Mountains. Beautiful. We're heading up on top of a mountain now. My ears are plugged up. Parkway. I guess we came out of the out of the Great Smoky Mountains. And now we're in the Blue Ridge Mountains again. Entering Little Tennessee River Basin. Welcome to Cherokee Indian Reservation. nice movie with this one. You can stop this if you want to read all this. Look at that rock, it's a heart. Oh, I know. My grandkids would have not left that rock behind. That's for sure. It's nice and cool here tonight. It is so nice. There's no humidity. It's just a little tiny breeze. It's beautiful. Just a great night. So nice. Look at all these rocks. It's all smooth from all the water over the years. Nice round, smooth rocks. Don't hurt your feet to walk on them. So pretty. So beautiful. We're surrounded by mountains. Okay, so if you didn't know where we were, we're in Cherokee, North Carolina. I've been here a couple other times, and I have a lot of family that lives really, really close by. But so I'm going to go see them on Sunday before we head back, and Saturday and Sunday before we head back. But anyway, we're here for a few nights. We originally came up here to go to a bluegrass concert, but we decided we wanted to go do some sightseeing instead. So we're going to do that. But this is an absolutely beautiful place, and everything is so green, so beautiful, and we're just having a really good time. So mostly relaxing and going out for dinner. And last night we ate at a place called Granny's Kitchen, and it was really nice. They had fried chicken and roast beef and green beans and whole little round, you know, potatoes, boiled potatoes, and fried okra. So I was in heaven. Corn on the cob. You can't get no better eating than that. So anyway, I'm gonna try to take as much film as I can and make this into a movie for you all to see, or a video, not a movie, a video for you all to see. Ooh, look at this. Oh man. Oh, look at that tree. It's massive. Wow. Oh man. This is nice. Look at that. That's bamboo. All that is bamboo. Look how big it is. This is a huge piece of bamboo. I can't even get my fingers wrapped all the way around it. It's beautiful. Look at that tree. Go stand next to that tree, Bobby. You can see how big the tree is. Smile! That's a massive tree. Wow. This is so cool. It's so nice and cool back here. It feels really nice, and it smells really good back here. You know, like ground, dirt, and, you know, not cars and all that kind of stuff. It smells good. Wow. It's like a big canopy. There's that big giant tree. Holy smokes. This is so much fun. We're having so much fun. I love this. Don't you?
Yeah, fun.
Look at that. That trail goes on and on and on down through there. Wow. We were in the woods all the time when we were growing up, so I'm loving this. Oh, look at that. Let me get it. Look at the water running down there. You can see it between the bamboo. Talk about relaxing and talking about God and His beauty, beautiful things that He gives us to see and look at and touch and smell and just, I don't know. It's just, it's a gift. It's a gift. It's a gift. And it goes way back in there. So we're back over at the park that we were at yesterday, and we went walking through the bamboo again, and we came across this little hole here that somebody built. It's not very deep, but it's a cute little place for little kids to be able to play, I think. I would like to sit on it myself. But I'm in my clothes. I don't have a bathing suit, so. But I thought that was kind of interesting to see that. That'd be nice. And that's that thicket that's just full of bamboo. And the trail that we walked on yesterday Man, them things are so tall. Look how tall they are. They're tall. This would be a good place to go fishing. Cast it right out in there, maybe under that little ledge over there. I'm definitely coming back and fish.